Hi witches, so hopefully you can see and hear me properly. I am outside. Haha, hello, this is my little house. But I wanted to talk to you a little bit about being a witch in an urban setting. So I don't really live in a city, but I do live in the historic area of a small town, and it can get loud and there's not a whole lot of nature around me without me having to drive places, and I often get anxious when I drive, so it's hard. This is just cool. So I am lucky because I do have a little bit of nature around me. So, ta-da! That. I'm gonna try to walk over there a little bit because that air conditioner is really loud. But yeah, I know that it's hard sometimes to connect with nature and to do that as an urban witch. Sorry, I just didn't want to get people's license plates and stuff in the background. But basically, I want you guys to see my tree. Look at that. This is the one tree that, well, there's one back there too, but this is the main witch tree, and I take care of both of them here. Some dirt and stuff. But it is really hard sometimes to commune with nature. But either way, I still feel that same energy when I come and I commune with this tree. My neighbors think I'm nuts. I'm sure that they're all watching me talking to myself, but I really I think it's important for witches to go out into nature for sure, but I understand that it's not always possible. So I do want to encourage you to seek out nature and to go out into nature, or find some plants, or even a patch of grass that you can find, I guess, and take care of it. Because to me, at least, witchcraft is about taking care of the earth and really being an aid to it. And even if it's just a patch of land, sometimes that is all it takes. I also use this tree, admittedly, to dispose of ritual items, any sort of organic matter. So I it's a symbiotic relationship, I guess. So here's my tree. Hello. So I just wanted to touch on that, and I understand I'm here for any witch who does not necessarily have all of the resources with them. They can't go out into nature or go on these extravagant, I don't know, excursions into the wilderness. But there are ways to do it, and urban witches, I hear you, I feel you, and I recommend finding a tree and hugging a tree, because that's the kind of person I am. So I will see you guys later. I'm really excited for March to start. It is way too cold. My car, oh my god, I love my car. Anyways, I will see you guys later, and I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day. Bye.